just explain that we do art and craft every day, and please subscribe, like and share this video. Today we are making a talk to the hand. For that we will need Fevicol, some Pom Poms, a pipe cleaner, a thin strip and a thick strip, a black color pencil, crayon or paint, and some eye templates and scissors. So first we need to cut this in half. Then we need to put Fevicol on the ends and stick a Pom Pom. And let it dry. As now you can see this has dried up. Then we need to fold it like this and keep. Then you should cut these eye templates. So now the eye cutouts are done. Then we need to take the strip and we need to measure it. And we need to cut 8 pieces of this strip. So all the cutouts are ready. Now I'm going to use a black marker to color in the pupils of the eye. So I'm going to add 2 highlights in the eye, draw a smaller circle and a bigger circle. Then I'm going to fill it in. And see, the eye looks shiny. I'm going to do the same with the other eye. So now I'm going to take these strips and glue them on the eyes. These strips are so that I can glue the eyelashes on top. I'm going to glue 2 of these strips on each eyes, and I'm going to glue 4 eyelashes on each eye. So we need to cut 8 eyelashes. So like this, I'm sticking them onto the strips. Like this. So after all of them have been glued, I'm going to glue them on the Pom Poms. So see, they have been dried. Now I'm going to put some glue onto the Pom Poms so that I can stick these eyes onto the Pom Pom. And this is the last step only. After this, our craft will be ready. Now I'm sticking them on like this. Now I'm going to glue the other one, and this is a craft. This is a final craft. I hope you like this video. Give this video a like. Thanks for watching. See you all next time. Bye bye. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell as well.